We're here at Malaybalay, no? First stop over, Malaybalay Public Market. So Malaybalay is around 2 hours, no, from Davao City. Ito yung office nila, oh. Right here. So this is the setup here, no, sa Malaybalay. They have public pay toilet. Ito yung bus namin. Kantilan Bank. Ganito yung setup. Okay. Let us see. Bantay lang tayo sa rural tours. Ito yung bus natin, 2926. You have ito, mga stores, outlets here. We're taking some videos. So we left kanina mga past 12, 12:15. Set up, no? This is the public transport here in Malaybalay. Ito yung setup niya. Quite clean naman, no? Malaybalay is part of yung Bukidnon na area. Pantay lang tayo dito. Baka maiwan tayo ng bus. So next stop siguro is Valencia City. Next stop. Tapos one more stop, then Davao City na. Okay. Okay, here. Try tayo.